Hi guys, this is Mahau again. I'm back on our calculator. The last time we actually created our calculator, but we never dealt with this issue of dots, and then I asked you guys to check if you'll be able to get it right. Also, I need to fix this layout. Actually, this graphical user interface is not that cool. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go back to my design view and then go to content pane, which is the J-panel. I just want to set the background to a different color. Let me just choose this one, and then if we launch our application, you will see that it's a bit better, like it's quite nice now. And also what I did is I took the button that was here and then I've put it next to equals to here, so nothing has changed so far. Okay, nothing has changed, and we never dealt with this button also, so we'll see what to do. Time is 6. Let me change this layer, just hold on. I'm gonna copy this button here again and then take this equals to this side. I think it's much better now. 3 times 6 equals to 18. 8 divided by 5, 1.6. Okay, let's deal with the, let me just launch it again, just hold on guys, with this exception here. So now what I'm gonna do is that we need to go back to this button, and then here we have, okay, basically we extracting the text that is on the screen and then we adding the dot, right? But now we need to check if maybe the dot is already there. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna remove this option. So we are extracting the text that is on the screen, right? And then we're gonna check using if statement. I'm gonna check if that text contains just hold on. I think contains is, yeah, I'll just check if that text contains our dot button here. I'll just say dot bt dot get text. So what's gonna happen if it contains that, right? We need to have an error message and then get out of this method, like don't do anything. So we just say error dot what okay, error slash dot decimal. I'll just put it like that, and then just return, meaning get out of this method. Don't do anything. But if it doesn't have, then we can take our number equals to number itself, which is the text, or I can do it and just say string. I can say number, which is the string, plus dot pt get text, right? and then we set our screen to that number. Okay, let's check it, guys. 5 point, you see, we've got our error message, so we cannot do anything. The only thing that we have to do is to clear 6 dot error message, right? 3.0 plus 5.0 equals to 8. Let's try it once more. Dot, right? Dot. So okay, we are done with the first part, right? So what we need to work on now is this one, right? So let's just go back to the design view. Okay, so what do we want to do in this case? Let's see. Okay, we're gonna take our, hold on, I never even thought about it. We're gonna take our number, right? Let me just copy this thing, guys. Go back. We have our number, right? I'll remove this, right? We've got our number. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say there's this other option of checking this. Let me say number faster. Let me see, number equals to, okay, now we are checking. It's like we're saying, is our number greater than 0? I mean less than 0. If it's like that, then we're gonna return minus number, right? But if it's gonna be positive, let me see. Yeah. Oh, okay. We need to I'm not sure if we can cast this. No, we can't. To integer, because we check using an integer. Let me just think about. Just hold on, guys. Integer, converting. Thinking right now. Converting string to integer. I think we can use this integer.parseInt or integer value of. Okay, let me try with this one. Integer dot pass. I don't know what it's gonna allow me because I haven't extracted my text as yet. No, it's not. Oh, pass int. It doesn't. It doesn't, right? What I can do is to go back. Okay, I've got this, and then I'll rename and say result. Let me just put this result, and then I'm just say integer dot pass int, and then which is now, right? Okay, and then our result, now we're checking with result. Result is our result less than 0. If yes, then we've got negative result. If no, Just hold on, guys. Right, and then let me see. It's not gonna, I don't think it's gonna show. Okay, stream dot view of yeah, let me see, guys. 8, nothing. It's not gonna show. Uh, 8 is greater than 0 minus result. Can you give us hold on, unless if let me see the result. Okay, another way of doing it, even instead of just doing it like that, we can say do it with if statement itself and say if result is less than 0, then if result is less than 0, we can use and now yeah, we can say num equals to negative can I use because it is string, right? Else num equals to which is a string, and I think we can print num without even have to convert it. Let's just see 5 is what 5 is okay. So wait, okay, end result equals to no, it's no, I'm doing something wrong here. Just hold on, guys. I need to think. Pass in. And without passing into thing, okay, result if 5 result is greater, okay, if result is greater than 0 and I click that one, it should be, let me try something. Wait, you guys. Yeah, okay. In this case, I'm saying if the number that I have there is greater than 0, and then I click that button, it can give me that option of changing it to negative, right? Else if it's negative and then I click it, it should be positive. So if it's greater, yeah. Then else if okay, this is the logic that we need to use, guys. Let me see. I didn't click that one, is negative plus 2 negative 6. Wow. Negative. Okay, we need to deal with this one. If the number is not there, then first thing is if you click it, you can on the screen you can set the text to minus, right? If you click it before, let me see. If I click it, I can set negative 3 plus negative 5 negative 8. Wow. Negative 8 plus 2 negative 6. So we are done with the another part. Let me see. What I love about programming is that like you can like use your logic to solve the problem itself, right? Like you don't need to struggle, just use whatever that you know and then you solve the problem, right? What else do we need again? 2 times 3 6. 0 cannot have minus 0 is minus 0 plus easy 3. Okay, no guys. I think we are done with our calculator. So now what I need to teach you guys is how to then take your code into an exe. But now the problem that I have right now is that like I'm not allowed to download and install stuff on this PC right now, right? So I'm just gonna show you the first part that you need to do. The first part that you need to do if you are using Eclipse is to export that file into a runnable jar file. Let me just put it on a desktop. And then name it Morehouse calculator.jar. This is the first thing that you need to do when you're gonna export your file into an exe. I'm gonna save it on a desktop. There's something that I forgot to check. I've got so many files here. What happened? Yeah, I've got so many stuff, but can I calculate? I show you there. Okay, wait. YouTube channel, if not there. Guys, just hold on. Oh, let me just go straight to YouTube channel. Just hold on. Did I save it here? YouTube channel. Okay, save it on YouTube channel. Configuration. Do I have YouTube channel? Okay, YouTube channel. In this case, it's on the right side. Then I need to check calculator. Yeah, calculator YouTube channel. I don't know why it's showing one. I'm not sure. Okay, finish. Okay, this is the first step of converting your Java code into exe. Sorry. Oh my goodness. I've got so many stuff here. YouTube channel, I'm just gonna open it first. So you see we've got the executable file. So if I double click it, my calculator is there. So now another thing that we're gonna need is a program called launch for Java, but I'm not allowed to launch for, is it launch for? Launch for Java somewhere. Is it launch for J? Yeah, gosh, I forgot. Launch for J. So launch for J, what you can do is you can download it and then install it on a machine, right? And then launch for J is gonna convert your Java file or jar file .jar file into an exe, and then you can also put your icons and so on for your application. So instead of having to open it like with this jar file, then you'll have an exe file on your desktop or something. So right now I can share this file to anyone, and then as soon as they click it, they've got my calculator there. 6 times 9 is 54. Okay, 28, 2018 minus 2017, 1 year. So guys, thank you. Okay, what else do you need? Nothing. I think I've covered everything, right? Yeah, I think I've covered everything, guys. Okay, this was a tutorial, the final part of calculator. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll come back to you. Thank you.